the features to consider when selecting equipment. First, have an important influence in food hygiene standards. Second, equipment should be designed to incorporate the minimum numbers of areas which may be difficult to clean. Third, ensure the equipment has been specifically designed for commercial use. This is for the safety of food in temperature control equipment for cooking, cooling, or cold handling. Equipment must be designed to enable it to be easily cleaned. Equipment to be constructed and be of such materials and maintained so as to minimize any risk of contamination of the food. This has been set out clearly the requirements by the Food Safety General Food Hygiene Regulation 1995. Then, to satisfy this regulation, equipment must be of such design. First, no hidden areas where food debris can accumulate and can be routinely cleaned. Then, equipment must be made from these materials. This is such a golden rule in food business. First, equipment must be smooth, impervious, capable of being readily cleaned. This is applied very often both to choice of equipment to the construction of the purpose. Wood should not be used to open food is prepared or stored as in its natural state. It is observable and cannot be readily cleaned. But wood might be used as less acceptable alternative and shaving in dry store. But it needs to be effectively sealed to prevent any absorption and enable cleaning to be carried out.
Question number 2 is discussion on the construction materials of kitchen equipment. Food preparation areas should be planned to allow workflow whereby food is processed through the premise. But whatever the process, there are basic guidelines that should be applied. For example, the first one is ceilings. Ceilings must be designed to prevent dirt, reduce condensation, and falling particle. And ceiling materials should be smooth and for easy to clean and avoid glossy finishes. Moreover, ceilings should be insulated and well ventilated to prevent water droplets, and recommendation of ceiling height is 3 to 3.5 meters for medium-sized kitchen. The second is windows. Windows must be designed to prevent dirt build-up. Windows open to the outside must have insect-proof screen and easy to remove for cleaning, and also windows must stay closed and locked during production to avoid food contamination. The last one is door. Door must be easy to clean and easy be disinfected when needed. Moreover, door surface must be smooth and not absorbent. If using other material for door, the owner must prove to food authority that the materials are suitable.
So today I would like to discuss about do and don't low temperature storage. So we go to the do of low temperature storage first. So the first one is maintain consistent temperature. For example, use temperature monitor device like thermometer or automate sensor. And for the second one is use appropriate packaging. For example, use suitable material for temperature such as insulated container. Next, we go to the don'ts of low temperature storage. So the first one is do not store item at inappropriate temperature. So it is to avoid storing product in temperature range unsuitable for their types. This can compromise quality and safety. And then for the second one is avoid storing perishable food beyond their shelf life. So low temperature slows spoilage but don't stop it entirely. Adhere to recommended storage duration. And for the last one is, do not use damaged packaging. Compromised packaging can lead to contamination, dehydration and loss of quality. And that's all for me.
Question number 4 is discuss what to do in case of power failure. Power outage can affect food safety. There are several steps that needs to be taken when such a situation occurs. The first one is minimize of opening refrigerator and freezer to maintain their cool temperature. A fully stocked on freezer can keep food for 48 hours and a refrigerator can maintain a safe temperature for 4 hours if unopened. The second is separate food. Keep the raw food separated from cooked or ready to eat item to prevent a cross contamination if thawing occur. The last one is undiscard unsafe food. Discard any perishable food that show usually odor, color or texture. These are signs unsafe to eat and never taste to determine its safety because this can expose you to harmful bacteria or other microbes.
Question number 5. What is the difference between cleaning and sanitation? In my opinion, cleaning refers to a physical removal of dirt, dust and other soils from surface using soap and water. Besides that, cleaning should always comes before sanitizing on object and surface. Meanwhile, sanitation involves reducing the numbers of germs on object and surface from surface to a safe level. In addition, sanitizing uses a weaker bleach solution or sanitizing sprays. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so today I will explain about question number 6 about cleaning steps. So as we all know that maintaining proper hygiene in food preparation is crucial to prevent food contamination. So step 1 in cleaning step is pre-cleaning. This is the first step because it involves removing any large pieces of food debris or leftover from surface and equipment. This can be done using scrapers, brushes and also with your hands. This step helps prevent clogging in drains and makes the subsequent cleaning steps more effective. So for step 2 is cleaning. This step involves using detergent and hot water to remove dirt, grease and other soil from surfaces and equipment. Ensure your use appropriate cleaning agents for different materials to avoid damage. We have to pay close attention to areas that are frequently touched or come into contact with food. Step 3 is sanitizing. After cleaning, it is essential to sanitize. This step helps us to kill harmful bacteria and other microorganisms. You can use approved sanitizing solutions such as chlorine, bleach or quaternary ammonium compound. We have to follow the manufacturer's instruction for proper dilution and contact time. So for step 4 is rinsing. After sanitizing, thoroughly rinse all surface and equipment with clean water to remove any residual sanitizer. This is crucial to prevent any off flavors or chemical residues from contaminating food. Step 5 is drying. We have to allow all surface and equipment to air dry completely. Wet surface can harbor bacteria and may also promote the growth of mold. Using clean, lint-free clothes can also help speed up the drying process. For the step 6, the last step is storage. We have to store clean equipment and utensils in a clean and designated area. This helps prevent contamination and ensure they remain ready for use. we have to cover and wrap equipment to protect from dust and other contaminants. So that's all for the cleaning steps. uh, in conclusion, we have 6 steps in cleaning step. The first one is pre-cleaning, cleaning, sanitizing, rinsing, drying, and also storage. That's all from me.
The factors that affect cleaning. First, chemical action. Chemical is designed for different type of dirt and surface. Premise: better choose the right cleaner so that it can prevent contamination. Second, temperature. High temperature often change the effectively of cleaning by increase the chemical reaction. Third, mechanical action. Mechanical action such physical scrubbing and wiping helps to dislodge dirt and germ from surface. Fourth, time. Time allowing essential time for cleaning for thorough cleaning. Lastly, cleaning procedure. By following the proper procedure such as pre-cleaning, rinsing, disinfect, final rinse, dry, and clean and store cleaning equipment. For pre-cleaning, this is involved removing any loose dirt and heavy soiling. For clean, this stage involves washing the equipment, utensils, or surface with hot water and detergent. Third, rinse. The rinse stage is to remove any detergent and remaining dirt. Fourth, for disinfecting can be achieved with chemical disinfect or hot water. Chemical disinfects should be appropriate for the purpose and the manufacturer's instructions must be followed. For disinfect, by using the hot water temperature must be above 82 degrees Celsius. For final rinse will make sure any remaining of detergent and cleaning fluids are removed. For drying, air drying is the most hygienic method of drying. And for the less clean and store clean equipment, any brushes, clothes, mops, and anything else used for cleaning should be cleaned and disinfected. Disposable clothes should be thrown away after using.
Okay, so next we move to the last question, which is question number 8, about describing sanitation steps. So first we have to know about the purpose of sanitation. The purpose of sanitation is to prevent the spread of harmful bacteria and other microorganisms. So one of the effective method is using hot water. There are so many ways to do it. One of the way is by using commercial dishwasher. Putting dishes through a commercial dishwasher is a convenient way to sanitize. These machines use high temperature water to kill pathogens. The next way is by using boiling water. By using boiling water, we can sanitize equipment by placing it in a sink with an element that reaches boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius. This method is effective for small items and can also be done in a pot on stove. This method requires caution because the water is extremely hot. The other way is by using hot water immersion. Placing equipment in a sink of hot water above 77 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes is another effective method. However, be mindful that the water temperature is too hot for our hands. Last method is by using chemical sanitations. So There's various sanitizing solutions are available, such as chlorine, bleach, and quaternary ammonium compounds. These chemicals can effectively kill pathogens when used correctly. But we have to consider that we have to always follow the manufacturer's instruction for proper dilution and contact time when using chemical sanitizers. And other than that, we have to ensure through rinsing after using chemicals to remove any residue that could contaminate food.